Capturing high-speed sports action is notoriously difficult, but having the right camera can instantly elevate your footage from amateur blur to cinematic glory. Today we are breaking down the absolute best cameras for sports videography, so you can stop missing the shot and start capturing history. 7. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Testing the Action 5 Pro out on the field was an interesting experience to say the least, especially when trying to use it as a primary camera for fast-paced sports. I strapped it to a chest mount during a local BMX race, and while the small form factor is undeniably convenient, using an action camera for dedicated sports videography comes with immediate and noticeable compromises. The 1/1.3-inch sensor does a decent job in bright, midday sunlight, providing crisp 4K footage that looks vibrant and punchy straight out of the camera. It offers incredibly smooth stabilization with its rock-steady 3.0 technology, which is genuinely impressive when you are literally running alongside an athlete or riding a bike right behind them on a bumpy trail. You can definitely find great uses for this camera when it comes to capturing unique point-of-view shots, mounting it on helmets, or placing it inside a racing vehicle where a larger mirrorless body simply would not fit. The rugged waterproofing also means you do not have to panic if a sudden rainstorm hits the field during a crucial match. However, the moment the clouds rolled in or the action moved to a poorly lit indoor arena, the footage quality degraded remarkably fast. The smaller sensor introduces a level of digital noise and grain that is incredibly frustrating to deal with in post-production, proving that this is certainly not a true A camera for serious sports productions. Another major issue I encountered was the fixed wide-angle lens, which completely eliminates the possibility of achieving that gorgeous, compressed depth of field you typically want when isolating an athlete from a busy background. 6. Sony Alpha A6600 mirrorless camera. This is a mirrorless camera that has been around for a bit, but still manages to find its way into the gear bags of many budget-conscious sports shooters. When I took this camera out to shoot a high school football game, the first thing that struck me was how well the real-time tracking autofocus actually performed in a live sports environment. Sony's autofocus algorithms are historically excellent, and the A6600 locked onto the players' helmets with an impressive tenacity, refusing to let go even when other players crossed the frame or the action got chaotic. It easily handles fast-paced directional changes from the athletes, which is a massive relief when you are trying to film unpredictable plays. It also utilizes the larger Z series batteries, which provided me with phenomenal shooting time compared to older APS-C models. I was able to shoot an entire half of the football game without ever having to worry about my camera dying mid-play, which is a crucial reliability factor for sports. Unfortunately, the positive experience drastically tapers off the moment you try to pan quickly to follow a fast-moving ball or a sprinting wide receiver down the sidelines. The rolling shutter on this camera is exceptionally bad for sports, bending straight lines and warping the background stadium pillars in a highly distracting way that essentially ruins high-speed panning shots. Additionally, you are strictly limited to 8-bit video recording, which meant that when I tried to recover blown-out highlights from the brightly lit stadium lights in post-production, the footage quickly fell apart and banded. The ergonomics also leave a lot to be desired for rigorous sports work. The grip is somewhat shallow for heavy telephoto lenses, and the lack of a fully articulating screen or modern touch menus makes adjusting settings on the fly feel incredibly clunky. 5. Panasonic LUMIX GH7. This is a camera that drastically changes the tone of this list and brings some truly professional video features straight to the sidelines. Getting my hands on the GH7 for a track and field event was an absolute revelation, primarily because Panasonic has finally integrated phase hybrid autofocus into their Micro Four Thirds flagship body. For years, Panasonic cameras struggled with frustrating pulsing autofocus during continuous video recording, but the GH7 tracks sprinters charging straight at the lens with flawless precision and zero hesitation. You can finally trust the camera to keep the athlete in sharp focus while you concentrate entirely on framing the shot. The internal recording capabilities are staggering, offering Apple ProRes RAW directly to the internal CF Express card. This gave me immense flexibility to push and pull the vibrant colors of the athletes' jerseys in the editing room, allowing for a highly cinematic color grade that is usually reserved for massive cinema cameras. Another massive advantage of the GH7 is its best-in-class in-body image stabilization, which essentially eliminated my need for a heavy, cumbersome gimbal while I was running trackside to get dynamic following shots. The micro 4/3 sensor size also provides extra reach with your lenses, meaning a 200mm lens gives you the equivalent field of view of a 400mm lens, putting you right in the middle of the action. I also absolutely loved the 32-bit float audio recording capability when using the optional XLR adapter, which meant I could capture the roaring stadium crowd and the quiet whispers of the coach without ever having to adjust my gain levels. It is an absolute powerhouse for solo sports shooters who need robust, reliable, and highly detailed footage in a very manageable package. 4. Fujifilm X-H2S. This is a true powerhouse when it comes to capturing rapid movement and a camera that I found to be an absolute joy to use on the field. When I tested the X-H2S at a highly competitive, fast-paced basketball tournament, the 26-megapixel stacked APS-C sensor completely blew me away with its incredibly fast readout speed. This stacked sensor design practically eliminates the dreaded rolling shutter effect that plagued earlier cameras on this list. It allowed me to aggressively whip pan across the basketball court to follow fast breaks without the background bleachers or the basketball hoop looking like they were bending or warping out of shape. The ability to shoot up to 4K resolution at 120 frames per second natively gave me access to buttery smooth, highly detailed slow-motion footage. This high frame rate is absolutely essential for highlighting the grace and immense physical power of a slam dunk or a complex mid-air maneuver, turning a standard play into a dramatic cinematic moment. Fujifilm's F-Log2 color profile is another standout feature for sports videographers, providing an astonishing 14+ stops of dynamic range that effortlessly handled the harsh lighting conditions. It perfectly balanced the deep shadows in the corners of the gym with the incredibly bright overhead lights, ensuring no detail was lost in the highlights or the shadows. Beyond the impressive internal specifications, the build quality and overall ergonomics are phenomenal for long shooting days. It features a deep, comfortable grip that perfectly balances large telephoto zoom lenses, and the top plate LCD allowed me to verify my frame rates and shutter speeds with a quick glance, making it a highly reliable and beautifully designed package. 3. Fujifilm X-M5. While it might lack the massive, rugged body of traditional sports cameras, testing this compact powerhouse at an aggressive, fast-paced skateboarding competition proved exactly why it deserves such a high ranking on this list. The sheer portability of the X-M5 meant I could mount it into incredibly tight spaces on the halfpipe, or easily balance it on a lightweight, one-handed gimbal for dynamic, low-angle follow shots. It completely removes the physical fatigue of carrying a massive rig, allowing you to be incredibly agile and reactive to the athlete's movements. One of the most crucial features for today's modern sports videographer is creating vertical content, and the X-M5 absolutely shines here with its open gate recording mode. This feature captures the entire 3:2 sensor area, meaning I could frame my shots loosely once and then seamlessly export both a 16:9 cinematic cut for YouTube and a high-quality 9:16 vertical cut for TikTok without losing any crucial resolution. Despite its small stature, it packs the legendary Fujifilm color science that delivers incredibly punchy, vibrant visuals straight out of the camera without needing hours of color grading. The film simulations add a unique, stylized look to extreme sports footage that instantly separates your work from standard, clinical broadcast cameras. The autofocus system is completely inherited from its bigger, much more expensive siblings in the Fujifilm lineup. It effortlessly locked onto the skateboarders mid-air, maintaining that sharp focus flawlessly as they landed complex tricks and rode rapidly past my lens, proving this tiny camera is an absolute beast for dynamic sports environments. 2. Nikon Z8. This is a full-frame marvel that essentially packs the capabilities of a flagship cinema camera into a relatively compact, highly professional mirrorless body. Taking the Z8 out to shoot a motorsports event at a local racetrack was an experience that fundamentally shifted my expectations for what hybrid cameras can achieve. Because the Nikon Z8 features no mechanical shutter whatsoever, Its stacked sensor readout speed is blisteringly fast. This meant that even race cars flying by my position at well over 100 miles per hour rendered perfectly straight and true, without a single hint of the distortion or warping that ruins high-speed panning shots. The video specifications on this camera are simply mind-boggling for a body of this size, offering 8K resolution at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, all recorded internally in gorgeous 12-bit in RAW. This gave me unprecedented detail. I could punch into my 8K wide shots in post-production to reframe a tight, intense close-up on a driver's helmet without losing an ounce of sharpness in my final 4K timeline. Nikon's advanced 3D tracking autofocus is remarkably sticky and intelligent, instantly recognizing the fast-moving vehicles and seamlessly transitioning focus as they rapidly approached and zoomed past my trackside position. It completely takes the guesswork out of pulling focus, allowing you to concentrate on the complex framing of high-speed racing. Furthermore, the robust weather sealing and extremely rugged build quality gave me complete peace of mind while shooting in harsh environments. Out on the racetrack, where kicking up heavy dust, flying debris, and unpredictable weather are just part of the job, the Z8 proved to be an uncompromising workhorse that delivers breathtaking professional results. 1. Sony Alpha 9 III. Taking the crown at number 1 is the truly phenomenal Sony Alpha 9 III, a camera that fundamentally redefines the technical limits of modern sports videography. From the moment I first tested this camera at a highly competitive professional tennis match, I knew the sports filmmaking industry had changed forever, and it all comes down to its revolutionary global shutter sensor. Unlike traditional camera sensors that read data line by line from top to bottom, the global shutter reads every single pixel on the sensor simultaneously. This means that rolling shutter is not just reduced or minimized, it is mathematically and physically eliminated entirely, making it the greatest technological leap for sports videography in a decade. You can whip pan the camera as aggressively as humanly possible to follow a lightning-fast tennis serve, and the tennis racket, the ball in midair, and the painted stadium lines remain perfectly, flawlessly straight. Combine this technological marvel with the ability to shoot stunning, uncropped 4K video at 120 frames per second, and you are capturing sports in a way that feels incredibly immersive and hyper-realistic. Sony's dedicated AI-powered autofocus processor takes things even further, analyzing human poses and predicting the erratic, fast-twitch movements of the athletes with an almost telepathic level of accuracy. It locks onto the subject's eye instantly and refuses to drift, ensuring you never have a soft frame even when the athlete turns their back to the camera. It also includes brilliant professional workflow features like pre-capture, which continuously buffers high-quality footage before you even hit the record button, guaranteeing you never miss the decisive, unpredictable moment of a sudden play.